So is it counting seconds?
Yep.
Alrighty. Hello everybody, this is Mr. Garrett's 4th grade science class. Today we're going to be doing an experiment with vinegar and baking soda and watching the chemical reaction. This demonstration here is going to be to lead you guys into the next project we're about to do, which is going to be working with a real live volcano, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be excited about it. So let's get into this here. We'll learn the science behind y'all's volcano project that's going to be coming up. So like any science experiment, we have our materials that we need. Today we have our vinegar, we have baking soda, we have our balloon, we have measuring equipment because we want to be precise so we can recreate the same exact experiment, and we have our bottle. So I'm going to prep the ingredients here. We have let's see here, we start out with our 2 ounces of vinegar. We're going to suck those babies up in here and get it into our bottle. Alright, so we're loaded with our 2 ounces of vinegar. I'm going to put them down in here. Okay, so there's our liquid is set. Now we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons of baking soda. We're going to put them into this funnel, which is going to be attached to this balloon. See if we can do this here. So just like you're getting a water balloon on your faucet here, we're going to try to feed this balloon onto the funnel, which is going to fail. So do it this way. So it's important here that the baking soda gets down in the balloon here. Grab 2 tablespoons. Alright, there goes 1 tablespoon of baking soda down into the balloon. So there's a 2nd tablespoon in here. Baking soda is also good in you guys' refrigerators too. If you see it in your parents' refrigerator, it helps keep them clean. That's what it's doing there. Do not eat. Okay, so we're going to try to jiggle this in here. And as with any science experiment, yeah, it's going in. Kind of. Gonna get a little hole here, maybe. There we go, I had a little clump. Oh yeah. So next time we do this, guys, we'll probably have a little poker or something to get it down in there and make it go a little quicker, but it's all about science, learning as you go. That's why they call it an experiment. But as you can see, we have less baking soda in there now, so it is going. You're not just watching me do nothing. That's kind of the part that makes it fun. Next time we'll improve our same experiment we're about to do. Let's see how this works. Alrighty, so baking soda is in the balloon. Now we're gonna put the balloon. We want to get the balloon on top of the apple cider, the top of the bottle here with the vinegar in it, without mixing in the first second. We want to kind of give a second here to get it attached. So the baking soda is down in there. Kind of want to put it off to the down there, let it hang a little bit. The balloon over the top of the bottle with the baking soda in it. It is important that you get a nice tight fit here, which we have created. So now we're going to flip the balloon up over so the baking soda goes down into the vinegar, and we're going to see what happens. Hopefully we'll have a chemical reaction. As you guys can see, the balloon is blowing up from the chemical reaction. The carbon dioxide is escaping the solution as bubbles here, and the bubbles are heavier than the air, so the CO2 is rising and filling up the balloon. It's not filling up with helium, but it's filling it up with CO2, so the balloon doesn't want to float. But as you can see, it is blowing up the balloon. And it doesn't want to float because it's just CO2, but